In previous video we have created a text style with the name of my style, and that you can see in expanded annotation panel and in this text style drop down. So here's the style. Now we'll use this style to create text in our drawing. So first let's start with single line text. The shortcut for single line text is text, T-E-X-T. So type text and press enter. So this will start single line text. You can also start single line text by clicking this button on annotation panel and clicking on this single line option. This will also start single line text. As you can see in command line, we need to specify a start point for our text. So let's specify a start point by clicking in the drawing area. So this becomes our start point. Now we need to specify a rotation angle for text. So if you want to make your text align to certain angle, you can specify the angle now. Let's keep it at 0 for now. So type 0, or you can even omit typing 0 because the default value is 0, and press enter. So this will make a completely horizontal text. Now let's enter the text which you want to enter, and I'll enter Autocad 2016 as the text. So now here we have this text. If you want to exit it now, press enter twice. So now here we have this text. If you want to make changes to this text, you can double click on this text and now you can make changes. Like let's enter software to this and now double click again to exit this. Let's go and explore other options which are related with single line text. So this time I'll start single line text by clicking on this button. So here is the single line text. Now here we have these two options, justify and style. So currently our style is my style, which is the style which we have created in previous video. Let's change this style to standard. So click on style and type the name of style. So standard. So that's the standard style, and press enter. Now the style has been changed to standard. Now click anywhere in the drawing area and enter a text height. So currently you can see that the standard text height is 2.5. So we'll keep it at 2.5. We are not going to change it. So press enter. Now it will prompt you to specify a rotation angle. So let's change this rotation angle to 30 degrees. So type 30 and press enter. So now here we have our single line text. Enter the text Autocad 2016. I think I missed one, so enter 2016 and press enter twice. So here we have our text. So you can clearly see that in this case the text has been created according to standard style which was already present, and the standard is now selected. The font style and the height of text including the angle has been selected according to the style which is defined in standard. If you change to my style or annotative, then it will take the properties which were defined in these respective text styles.